Yeah, no, it's something I'm proud of.
I'm proud of it for you. This sucker's nice, man. And it's a monster.
And that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
You just dropped it in here?
Oh yeah, the engine's a 350 small block engine.
Okay.
1.5-inch power tower with a Hollybrock double float carb. So it's got a mechanical fuel pump, and we did solid state torsion bars all the way around, quad core aluminum radiator with dual blower fans to keep it cool. So I can run this car. I'm doing 485 at my crank and 450 at the wheels.
Good God.
So I went from 108 horsepower in the stock 305 to this.
Look at this.
Yeah, this car will get up and scream.
I bet it will.
I mean, it's got to be in first gear before she's moving.
Right.
Once she's going, she's going.
And you just put the motor in it?
We are 35 days into this motor build.
Oh, nice.
So it took us 6 months to build it. Everything's
yeah?
pulled out. We did all new wheels. The rear end's from a Z06 Corvette. That's why it's jutted out.
Right.
We did a high stall torque converter. The rear end is set up with high slip, so that way both sides will kind of move as the car moves and shimmies and shakes with it.
Right.
Disc brakes all the way around, cross-slotted drilled drum rotors, so that are drilled rotors. So that's taken care of.
Man.
The exhaust has all been done. We put a cutout system in the head rear and extended everything back.
Oh, yeah?
And mufflers are gone.
Oh, man.
So, yeah, no, she'll get up and go now.
Man, it's nice, man. How long you had the car?
I've had this car for 2 years. I drove it stock for a year, and then I spent a year building it.
Man.
So,
You and your mom love to build cars, huh?
I have a club out of Fort Wayne. I run
yeah?
Autobots United car group.
Oh, yeah?
So,
This is your group right here?
that's the car's name. Autobots United is the group. So
Okay.
that's on the other side. East Tennessee Street Rods is another group that I run with.
Okay.
And then American Muscle Rod Shop is the build shop that I work with, and they built the car.
Man. And that's out of?
Tennessee. They're
Tennessee?
on Sweetwater, Tennessee.
Oh,
Cleveland,
nice.
technically, but they're on the border.
Okay.
So, yeah, Chris German was the builder. He's been building for 40 years.
Oh, yeah?
He's built for Car and Driver,
Oh,
Hot Rod
nice.
Magazine. He's built for all kinds of different, autocross events and things like that.
Man.
Yep. So interior's clean. I mean, I got a rip in one of my seats that I'm getting fixed up.
That's all right.
But as far as like the rest of it, it's pristine.
Oh, man, it's
for
pristine,
the
pristine.
year.
Yeah. Man. This is real nice, man. Golly. Put that down. Man. This is lovely, man. This thing is in lovely condition.
It's one of those things. You have a goal and a dream, and
Just do it.
never thought it would happen, and then you do it, and now it's like
Man.
part with it.
This thing
So,
is super nice,
Not
man.
there yet. I still got some gaskets and seals and
Oh,
stuff
that's
to do,
okay.
and
You'll get
little
all that.
cosmetic
Right.
procedures.
You'll
I'm
get
gonna
all
have
that
stripped
done.
and painted, but
Yeah.
yeah, no, it's
Man.
something I'm proud of.
I'm proud of it for you. This sucker's nice, man. And it's a monster.
It is definitely that. It's not those others out here that are 1,200 horse, but for what it
Hey.
is and for the year,
You don't need too much horsepower.
yeah.
You don't need all that horsepower. A lot. You need a lot, but not a lot. Too
I got
much.
enough to put
Oh, it's
me on the
T-top?
streets. T-tops, yep.
Oh, man.
Removable. So I put a 10-inch low profile sub in the back.
Oh, nice.
It's not enough kick. I'm still working on it. But you buy them to build them, and you're never
Right.
there. You're never complete.
Man, this sucker's nice, man. What year is this?
This is an 89.
89. Ooh-wee. They don't make them like this no more.
No, they sure don't.
Man. It's back when they was caring about how to make a car.
When cars had nice body lines.
Yeah. Now they just slang them up the line.
Customize the frame,
Man, this is nice, man.
inside and
I
everything.
appreciate it.
Oh, man.
It's nice to hear other people appreciate them. So
Man, this thing is real nice, man. Super nice. My buddy got a blue one. He's just sitting in his garage. I'm gonna show him this and be like, see what you could have.
call me, I'll build it.
Yeah, see what you could have. If you just put, and he's a mechanic.
Yeah,
But you know, mechanics, they never have time to mess with their own cars,
that's exactly it. You build everyone else's,
Yeah.
you drive the beater.
right? Man, this thing is nice, man.
Thank you. Sure appreciate it. Yeah, it's got underglow in the engine bay, underneath the
Oh,
floorboards
man,
inside.
nice.
Everything glows up. I put Durali fan controllers on it, so that's done. All the
Oh.
smog stuff is gone.
Man.
So still got a little ways to go.
Oh, it's gonna be a super monster. When you finish, it's gonna be the toast of the town.
About 6 months. I'll be
Yeah.
done.
Oh man. Yeah, you and moms love build cars, huh? Y'all love it, huh?
Oh yeah. I have a '88 Corvette that I'm building now.
Oh, yeah?
That's already out there. So
Oh, nice.
Doing the same thing, but it's 1,000 pounds lighter.
Right.
So it's gonna get up and scream.
So you had to take this to Tennessee all the time?
I had it built out there. The builder shop that I am part of out there is American Muscle.
Okay.
And so we trailered it out there to have it done right first.
Right.
So, and then Will here's going to do the paint job and get it all corrected.
Oh yeah,
stripped,
nice.
so.
Oh, that's why you gonna leave it here for him.
Oh, I'm going to drive it back and forth, but
And
whenever
then
it comes time and it's on the schedule, I'll
Right.
get it out and they'll do it.
You think like me? I'll come when it's time to come. I ain't gonna leave it with you.
That's
I'll come when it's time to
I'll
come.
bring it when it's time to come.
Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it till then.
It'll sit in my garage and look pretty until then.
Man, he got a brand new motor in it.
I pulled the original 305 and put 350 in it.
Crazy. Crazy.
Yeah, with AC. Most of them don't get to keep AC. They kept the AC. So I don't see a purpose in it most of the time because I can see tops off. It's not like this. A little breezier set.
Oh, yeah, right now. I didn't think it was going to be this cool. Shoot.
Yeah, me neither. It was
Nice
warm
rims.
this morning.
Hell yeah.
Those are brand new.
Yeah, I
did
can
new
tell.
Wheels and rubber this last month and a half. So these are the 3rd gen reproduction wheels.
Yeah, they look
So,
good
give
too.
you the 5-spoke, but give you some color and a little
Right.
brings them out a little bit.
It's good.
Much more retro.
It's got a good sound. I like this car. So I did the cutouts right at the downpipe, so whenever they're open, it'll growl.
Does it sound? Can you crank it up? Yeah. That's what I wanted. I thought you was gonna say no.
No, it doesn't start. It just sits here and we look at
Wait till it's fun right now, too.
Oh yeah.
I like that shot.
Man, don't you? Yeah. Man, that's what I'm talking about. That sounds real good, man. Sounds real good.
Oh, shit. Yeah, you can hear him.
Oh, you gotta. Oh man.
I can make it quiet. So
Man, that's tight.
Oh, yeah, you can definitely hear the noise.
That's nice.
Where'd you get that done at?
my builder did it in Tennessee.
Tennessee.
I'm gonna have to go grab mine now.
And your mom got the same thing, don't she?
Mine do that.
Your mom got the same thing in her Camaro.
He does have the
Right.
hers is manual and mine has the remote control.
Oh, so you can just do yours.
Mine's just a button.
Oh,
and hers is a switch, and as soon as it stops, she's got to flip the switch off because it'll just keep running the motor.
Oh, man. Hey, y'all know how to build some cars, man.
Long tubes on it?
Hey,
It's on it now.
hey.
So, oh yeah, I did. I brought my headers down, and I did a 1.5 inch dump out right here for my cutouts, and then I straight piped all the way back to the X pipe system, and then crossed it over and took out my cats, my muffler boxes, and I went from a 2 inch pipe to a 3 inch pipe on the back.
Fucking nice, man.
Yeah.
Just like what I did to mine. Well, mine already came with more loads.
There you go.
I didn't have to spend $1,700 now.
Yeah.
Just
No,
on my headers.
Man.
this car was a dream that I never thought would come true.
Well, it's here.
Yeah, it is.
Dreams come true.
When I bought my Ram,
Manifestation, baby.
like,
That's my next car. I want a Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye Edition.
same here. You know what I found out? When I traded in my Ram, I put like $3,000 into it, just like exterior stuff and the color it takes. And they gave me $20,000 for it with 73,000 miles on it. I went to price out a brand new one, 6-speed manual. It was like 81 grand.
Woo.
What the trade-in they gave me was 20 grand for my truck.
Right.
Brought it down to 61 grand. I'd be paying $496 a month.
Man.
I
Why
was
you,
like, I passed up an opportunity. I wish I did.
you should have got that.
I wish I did now. I'm like,
Well, I mean, those Hellcat Red Eyes right now, you can get a nice one for 50,000.
oh
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's
You
true.
know,
Yeah.
they went down
Just a
quite
demon
a bit.
too.
Yeah. They
Demon
dropping
power
prices.
motor, Just no
They
dual fuel
scream.
pumps.
And see, I'm a fan of big bodies. I
Yeah.
like the big body.
I like
cars,
boats.
So, yep,
I like
that's
boats.
exactly what it is.
Saying they can't- people keep saying it's a big boat, can't turn.
I like the boat.
Driveway.
Yeah.
They don't got to turn when they get on that straightaway.
Know the difference between small cars with tight turn radius and big cars with big turn radius? Where you set in the lane when you make that turn.
See? Yeah, look.
So
He know what he talking
the
about.
driver knows what he's doing. He'll get around that corner.
Hey, walk around this bad boy.
It's the tail of the dragon and whipped it around corners. It turns. I'm leaving in 3 weeks.
There you go. There you go, baby.
So,
I told y'all I'd give y'all what y'all want, baby. Y'all wanted a Camaro old school. I told y'all I'd get it for you. It's your boy T-Lite. Oh yeah.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.